The Nothing Phone 2A was unveiled in India on March 5. It is backed by a octa-core MediaTek Dimensity chipset and packs a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support. It ships with Android 14 based Nothing OS 2.5. The phone recently received the Nothing OS 2.5.3 update that brought some significant camera experience updates to the handset. Now, the UK-based OEM has announced that a new Nothing OS 2.5.4 update has started rolling out to Phone 2A users. The London-based company announced in a post on X that the Nothing OS 2.5.4 update is rolling out to Nothing phones 2A to upgrade to Nothing operating system 2.5.4. Phone 2A users can go to settings and after that system update. The company also detailed the change along for the update in the same post. The update includes improved color accuracy and saturation for the rear camera, as well as refined color consistency between the primary and the ultra-wide rear cameras. As per the changelog, the Nothing OS 2.5.4 update for the Phone 2A will overall improve camera performance and offer a fine-tuned bokeh effect in the portrait mode. The Nothing OS 2.5.4 update is set to optimize the overall performance of the mobile games including PGMI. The update will also improve the recorder widget animation and get rid of the animations while launching the existing application. The Nothing OS 2.5.4 update for Phone 2A also includes several bug files of flickering issues that some users faced when launching app from the home screen has been fixed. Meanwhile, a display issues with the home screen and lock screen wallpapers has also been fixed in this update. Issues with the incorrect display of cellular or Wi-Fi information in quick settings, as well as the screen going dark during incoming calls are said to have been resolved. The update will also enhance the overall stability of the handset. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.